So you can go to the overlay and overlay this green screen right here. Then go to the cutout and choose chroma tool and do like I'm doing. After this, we just have to export in high quality. After exporting, just delete the overlay. And now take another overlay that we just exported. Now go to the cutout, choose chroma and adjust it according to your own perspective. Now you have to zoom in the overlay. Go to the effect and choose blur. You have to go to the object and change it to overlay. Now you can adjust the effect so that the edges would look clean and polished.